Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about NCERT Geography class 9 first chapter India size and location. In this video we will cover following topics. First, the location of India on the world map, and second, the geographical size of India. Let us start with the location of India on the world map. In this map various continents are shown, but we will focus on the map of India. As you can see, this dotted line is the 0-degree latitude or equator that divides the world into two equal halves. This part is called northern hemisphere and this part is called southern hemisphere, and obviously we can see here India lies completely in the northern hemisphere. If we talk about the prime meridian or 0-degree longitude that also divides the world into two equal halves, eastern hemisphere and this one is western hemisphere. Here we can see that India lies entirely in the eastern hemisphere. So finally we can say that India is located completely in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Let us now look at the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. This is the mainland of India, which extends from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari, also called as Cape Comorin, in the south, and Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. The mainland of India extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. The distance between northernmost point and southernmost point of the mainland of India is about 3214 kilometers, and the distance between easternmost point and westernmost point of the mainland of India is about 2933 kilometers. The next thing that we need to understand is the Tropic of Cancer or 23.5 degree latitude. In this map, this dotted line is Tropic of Cancer. It is an imaginary line. It divides India in almost two equal parts and passes through 8 Indian states. These states are from west to east: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Apart from the mainland, India also has two groups of islands: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. First, we will talk about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal to the southeast of the mainland. These are a group of 572 islands. Basically, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are two separate groups of islands. These are called Andaman Islands, and these are called Nicobar Islands, and these islands are separated by a water body that passes through here, and this water body is called 10-degree channel. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is situated in the Andaman side. The southernmost point of India, Indira Point. Previously it was also called as Pygmalion Point, was located in the Nicobar Island, but this place lost its existence in 2004 during tsunami and got submerged under the sea water. The second group of island is Lakshadweep Islands. These are situated in the Arabian Sea to the southwest of the mainland. These are basically coral islands and consist of 36 islands, of which only 10 islands are inhabited. The capital city of Lakshadweep Islands is Kavaratti. Let us come to the geographical size of India. India's total geographical area is about 3.28 million square kilometer, which is about only 2.4% of the world's total area. Area wise, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Countries which are bigger than India in terms of area are Russia, Canada, USA, Australia, China, and Brazil. The total land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometer, and total length of coastline including Andaman and Nicobar Island and the coastline of Lakshadweep is about 7,516 kilometer.